Ladies and gentlemen, if you're wanting to know what Docker is, you're in the right place. We're going to go through all the ups and downs, so stick around and let's get into it. So first of all, what is Docker? So if you could imagine Docker as a masterful conductor orchestrating a symphony of applications. It's like the Swiss Army knife for developers, building your apps and its dependencies into a portable container, a self-sufficient entity that can dance across different environments easily. So, what are the advantages of using Docker? Well, first of all, it's portability. Docker is your app's passport to travel the world. It can seamlessly transition from your local machine to a cloud server or a colleague's setup, making deployment easy, easy, easy. Another thing that Docker offers is efficiency. You can say goodbye to resource-hungry virtual machines. Docker containers are agile and they share resources with the host system, which optimizes performance and utilizes resources. Isolation. So each container is its own fortress, shielding your app from external disturbances and ensuring it operates in its own secure bubble, which is free from any outside interference. Now, we cannot have just good without any bad. Some of the disadvantages of Docker is the complex networking. Navigating Docker's networking landscape can sometimes feel like exploring a labyrinth. Setting up communication between containers requires very, very careful planning and expertise. Another thing is some of its security concerns. While Docker is robust, overlooking security configurations can expose vulnerabilities. It's crucial to make sure you stay vigilant and implement the best practices you can to safeguard your containers. So why would we use Docker over some of its competitors? Well, Docker does shine bright in a sea of competition. Its vibrant community is a treasure trove of knowledge and support, offering a wealth of resources to developers. With a vast repository of images and seamless compatibility across all types of platforms, Docker stands tall amongst rivals. So, Docker isn't just a tool, it really is a game changer in the realm of software development. Embrace Docker and unlock a world of possibilities to streamline your development workflow and elevate your applications to new heights of efficiency and flexibility. If this video helped you out, give us a big old thumbs up. We will see you in another video. Happy developing. Cheers.